She just wanted her grandmother's ashes back. But one wrong call and she's suddenly the criminal. In the eyes of the law, even a kind act can break the rules.
Sorry, I forgot the papers.
People stepping out and talking outside.
Oh.
Yeah, absolutely.
I did everything at work yesterday to make sure I had a
No worries.
copy. I have mine.
Yeah, that's the well, the one that regular
Charles to plate.
I mean, that you're, yeah, exactly. I mean, I know you guys both have.
Charles Lincoln Mary 9172.
It's the rental company that they both rent from, but the rental company said like we're reaching out on so and so's behalf.
No, you're good.
Still a third party.
You have to still stay by a 3 by 4. We can't find anywhere that says simple standby requested.
Oh, for the permanent one?
So it'd probably be
temporary one.
That's what I'm saying. It'd be for the temporary one.
Oh, okay. I have that right here. This is my temporary one, and it says the civil standby. You have to scroll through the documents. But would that transfer over onto a permanent protection order?
So it would be referenced on this one. Because
it's like kind of hard. There's like a weapons order as well.
I cannot find it.
Something about like personal belongings, surrender firearms. That's personal belongings, civil standby. But I have like a lot more things like than that. I told the judge, I think like more than 15 minutes, I have to have movers get my belongings. Which that's what I was trying to coordinate, and I have a friend who can stay there as well. And
it does say personal belongings, but I don't see anything about civil standby here.
Oh, I thought that was the civil standby.
No, it's like a standby request basically.
What is there a difference?
Yes, there is. Yeah.
So what's the verbiage? Do I have to go back to the judge to request one?
Okay, probably will.
I thought this was a civil standby. Because I've talked to the civil unit. I think the Snohomish County Sheriff, and they're like, yeah, just ask the officers when they can do it for 15 minutes. They were able to look this up. So I'm like confused on all the terminology and everything and try to coordinate.
Yeah, that's interesting. Normally it says in there like civil standby requested.
Like where would it say it though? Because this is personal belongings here. Is it like under a section?
Go to the top.
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to violate anything. I just bought my mom my grandma's ashes and my clothing and stuff.
How did you arrange this today?
I had movers on standby. I was waiting for officers to call me so we could go to the residence and everything in the leasing property wants me to get my belongings. The leasing property, I explained I had movers and a friend who can go. I can't be present for the protection order. So they contacted Jordan.
Who contacted Jordan?
The leasing people. And then so he said no. So that's why I called you guys and can you please call. It's more a time constraint because the movers had other clients to attend to. So I told them like I have to wait for the police in order for this to happen.
So the leasing, they contacted.
Yes, I no one directly talked to Jordan. I thought myself. I'm trying to just get my belongings on his order. I know it says I need to vacate the property. I've been vacated since May 23rd. I wasn't able to grab any of my stuff.
Okay. Did you ask the leasing company to contact Jordan, or how did that get arranged? Huh?
I called asking if my friends could my friend and the movie people could go on my behalf. And they said we need to look at
You told that to who'd you tell that to?
the movie people. I asked, like, I can't be there. I explained I can't be there present. I have friends and movers that can go for on my behalf. So I was not trying to violate anything in that regard. I just wanted to make that clear. I just was trying to call.
So basically, the leasing company called, or the leasing company, they called you, said you can get your stuff out of there.
Yeah.
You talked to the leasing company. You already talked to your rent or your moving company.
Yeah, they said we need
then
to
the
ask
leasing
the
company, you're saying, was contacted Jordan about it.
And they call. I believe so.
And you told the leasing company that the moving people and your friend would be there to get your stuff. Correct?
I said that yes. I'm not. I told them I'm not allowed to be there. And the only way I can be there is if the police is coming. I want to make sure it's not violating anything. That's not my intention at all. I'm concerned about my things being thrown out of the house since I'm not on the lease anymore. They've removed me since the order was placed, so I don't have to be responsible for rent and everything like that. But they did email my job yesterday asking when are you going to get your belongings. So I've been trying to coordinate with movers, people that are available with their own schedule, and then obviously the police.
So this section right here. What did he say?
I don't know, because what she's saying sounds realistic.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, apparently she asked the moving company to contact her.
Can we call the moving company?
Because what she's saying sounds like it could easily, and there's no stutter or struggle with the story like it.
No.
So I guess we have to call, the moving company and see what the
Yeah,
plan was relayed to them.
Yeah.
He's got a video of the moving company saying, calling on her behalf.
Yeah, but I think it has to be like if she directed
Do you want to have your phone ready for it? Hey, is the moving company there? Okay. Can you get a phone number for them, for the people that showed up? Because we just want to... Basically, she's telling us that she contacted the leasing people and then they contacted... Like, it sounds like it might not be an order violation. Yeah, if we can get a number, and we'll call. Alright, let us know. So he's saying that on the video, they have the whole conversation, and then Jordan goes, so I just want to be clear, Francesca asked you to reach out to me? And they were like, yeah. So,
They could just say,
I could have just said yes. Right.
because criminal like she needs like to tell them like hey, reach out to them for me, right? Like that's my understanding.
That's my understanding too, but it's because the moving company,
Because
why did she call them?
the moving company.
because she has a bunch of stuff she
Yeah,
needs.
so basically what happened is the leasing company called her saying, hey, you gotta get your shit out of here. Yeah. And so she's like, well okay, shit, all right. And the leasing company's been on her to get her stuff. So today she's like, I called the moving company, or now I told the leasing agent we're trying to get it figured out. And she's like, she told the leasing company, like, hey, I got movers and I got a friend who can come out. So that way I don't have to be there. I'm like, okay.
If she tries to tell her she's detained,
Yeah.
it's
So it really depends. Is she was saying she didn't tell any of those to the leasing office? She said the leasing office probably contacted him just logistically, but she never asked him to do it.
if the moving company goes, yes, she has.
Yeah.
We're totally in the clear, but because what she said made sense. And there was no like, it was just flowed really well, I think.
Yeah, I agree. Real fast. Just let
But should we call Selvig's done talking, give us some more time for Wallace to call?
because all it says in there is the personal belongings, but that looks like to me just
To me, that would be like
when they vacate initially. That's not because civil standby specific. Like it's
Your basic necessities.
yeah.
I get it. I get it super frustrating. It's frustrating for us too sometimes dealing with reports.
So I'm trying to throw it out.
Are you ready for the phone number?
Yeah. Is it 425?
Hit 425-388-3060.
I can call that. Are they open on the weekends or
No, it's a Monday through Friday. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have the movie company's phone number?
No, what? Oh, the moving company's number. Yes. So I've been coordinating with the person who's Logan.
Logan, okay.
And his company, I think it's called All My Son's Moving Company.
Okay.
And it's 206 759 7023.
His name what, Logan?
Logan.
Hey,
Hey, Logan, this is
so the landlord asked the moving company to call Jordan. So do we have PC?
So one
Copy. Okay, so PC, yes. Okay, we'll hook her in. Okay. She contacted the landlord to contact Jordan to see if the management company.
I don't think so because
Okay. I showed you all this. It's Metzer's Movers. She contacted landlord, who contacted Parker to see if the movers could come. So he said we'd have PC.
We talked to the landlord, Alice.
So he said he did. I'll ask again. I guess yeah. These are,
I just want to make sure we have like.
that's what I did too, because it's kind of yeah. Hey, and you've talked to the landlord?
You start over with what happened.
Okay. Is he gonna write a statement? Did you ask him if he wanted to? Okay. Cool. You got his info though, his name and all that? Okay, perfect. Doesn't want to write a statement, but he called and asked him straight up, did she ask you to do that? So, I guess me and Zelda can just... So, just gonna be honest with you. Okay, where we're at, we have the deputy that's over there, and he was told by the landlord, he reached out, asked him to contact Jordan to verify the movers could come by. So, with that being said, you are going to be under arrest today for a court order violation. You can't have any contact via third party or anything. So,
Well, that wasn't my
let me turn around for you.
Okay.
hold your phone so it's Do you want your phone with you, or do you want your friend to have it? Yeah, that's totally fine. Is there any other belongings in the car that you would like to retrieve?
Yes, so I have one thing that
I can't. No, it's just belongings that are for you, and you want me to get them as well. So,
how long is this going to happen for? I have to look.
okay. Do you have your work phone number? Or something? Well, I'll just call them just so they come there. So I can't say whether or not it's going to be. They do have Sunday court, so I don't know. It's early in the day on Saturday. You might be able to get
Sure,
set
so
up
we
with
got
that.
1, 2, 15.
Am I going to give a statement and not have it on the record?
Yeah. So everything's being recorded right now. Everything that you said to me was recorded. The judge will be able to see that. Our hands are tied as law enforcement whenever, especially with orders, we have to make the physical arrest. Okay. So do you have like a wallet or purse or anything in the car?
I have my wallet, my purse in there.
Would you like me to retrieve it and bring it with you, or?
Yes, please. Am I going to be able to access that to contact people?
That'll be up to the jail. I work at the jail, so you don't have any like pepper spray or anything in the purse that
I have
should.
a lot of lip gloss and pens and stuff.
Okay.
Do I need my wallet while I'm in the jail?
No, you don't need it. But if you want to,
My other cell phones in there, can I have both of my cell phones? My other iPhone? I'll just leave my purse with Perfect.
That one right here.
We'll walk over here.
That one? Is that one?
Is that it?
Yeah. Anything else on your person quick?
Yes, I'm very nice. Can you contact Vaughn? I don't remember. Are we able to give her a phone number? She wants to mail to you and she's put it in this one. It's still on the right.
This one? Do you have like a face ID?
Yeah, I do.
Hey.
265908.
Okay, well, we got it here. Whenever you're
Contacts?
ready.
Yes, and it's
Do you have a
Sounds
save number
good.
or phone number?
I'll anonymize it. We're doing the right for you.
It's Vaughn.
Vaughn?
Cool. Sounds good.
Vaughn Becker?
Yes. Can you give her a phone number?
Yep.
Do you know how long I'm gonna be like?
So we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna read you your rights, and then we'll kind of go from there. Okay? Does that sound fair? Do you have any pockets or anything on these?
No.
Do you mind lifting your hand? I'm just gonna go with the back of my hand on the back. Your necklace. It's the
I do
necklace.
have a necklace.
Is it anything sharp?
No, it's a stone. Yes. Okay, I do, but I don't think I'll get access once I'm inside the fort. Would I be able to write down her phone number before I go to have it on my person?
Yep. Yep, we got
But they don't let you look at your phone while you're in there.
I don't know what their standard is.
They
They'll
don't
let
let
you
you.
get the phone number.
Okay.
So, have a seat now for now.
We'll make sure she gets the number.
So, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes.
Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
Oh, what's that?
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak with us?
I just want to push my glasses further onto my face.
Do that for you.
And then do you know how long this...
So it's a yes or no. So having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak with us?
Yes, in case I have any questions, is that okay?
Sure, yeah, it's really up to you. It's your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Like I said, it's really up to you. So it's like I said, it's just the only thing for us is we wish to yes or no.
Okay.
So
I don't understand if it's going to go against me or not.
I mean, things that you say could be used in the court of law,
Okay.
right?
I just more have questions about how long is the process going to be and everything, because I'm concerned about work tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah,
I was going to say
I'm not sure. You might see a judge tomorrow.
Okay.
Other than that, you do not want to speak any further?
I'm okay.
So no. Okay. Sure, no. Wallace is coming here to transport.
Yeah, I just told her. The new company said that she's been in contact with them for the last week or so.
He called me back and said she contacted the leasing agent, who's now going to write a statement,
Okay.
and asked him to contact Jordan to see if the movers could come back today.
Okay.
So
Yeah, well, she basically told the movers, hey, she told them at 9:45 go over to the house at 10.
Yeah.
And they went there and they had contact with them. So
we're good. She doesn't want to talk either. So I'm gonna turn the AC up.
Okay. I'm just going to put these on your dashboard.
So, Francesca, another deputy is on his way here, and he's going to transport you. Okay, just letting you know, like, what's happening. Yeah, let me come around. I'm having a hard time hearing you. So hard.
How does this work regarding? I have a protection order against Jordan as well. Mine was permanent. His is temporary.
So it's still court order violations and the one that was violated.
My next question is, I do have a hearing on Tuesday morning for that. Am I gonna be able to attend it in my situation right now?
I don't see why not.
Or like, I guess my question is, how long am I gonna be taken away for?
I'm not sure.
Because if I don't show up to that, then I don't have a chance to defend myself.
Yeah, I'm not sure how long you'll be in. So basically, it'll be a matter of you seeing a judge, and then the rest will come back.
All the rest.
Yeah, like in terms of like getting released, and if there's a bond and all that, it'll come from a judge. So hypothetically, if there was a conflict, the judge would be aware
A conflict, how so?
Like if you were unavailable for Tuesday's
Oh, they would become aware.
hearing, they would be aware because a judge would.
Is there like an explanation given to the judge, like I was trying to get my belongings?
There's going to be a report.
Oh, okay.
She wants 2 phones to go with her. She's Mirandized. Does not want to speak.
Okay.
Real quick. I explained to her that this is been arrested for.
When it comes to order violations, do I have them fax the order?
Yeah. You should get a copy of it.
They should.
Jail.
The jail.
Yeah.
So just
And then you want to make sure that you also put a copy on the case.
on my case, yeah. So have records. Fax it to them before I get there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sounds good.
Cool. So like I said, she doesn't want to speak about it.
I'll just put off the order and scan it in the mail.
No. If you go to the S drive,
Yeah.
just
it's already in
drag it, yeah, drag it to your desktop,
Okay.
and then go on your case report, go to attach documents, add, go to desktop, and then
On the desktop.
good.
Come with me.
Swap cuffs if you want.
I'm gonna swap your cuffs, okay? I'm gonna swap your cuffs. My partner's cuffs.
You got on the right spot.
We'll have some room. Keep it loose. Alright, one sec. Relax your hand real quick. You'll slip out of there and all. And double lock them.
Okay, he has both your phones, so they'll go with you to the jail.
She did search.
I did just a top more first. She doesn't have any pockets or anything. So.
What's that? Which one? The right one?
Try to keep your hand that way. See what I mean? Because there's room. I mean, I can loosen it a little bit for you. If that'll help you. What's that? Alright, now it's a little loose, so.
That feels better.
Should I go through? Okay. So with the back of my hand. You wipe your hands for me. You got nothing in your shoes? Alright, with the back of my hand, miss. The back of my hand. Just gonna check for weapons up there. Back of my hand. Okay.
Did you be able to push my glasses back on my face? They slide.
Nothing in your hair, right? Okay. Nothing hiding in there.
No. No, I just wanted to get my family's ashes today, that's all.
I'll be right back with you.
Francesca was taken into custody for violating a no-contact order not by words, but by a technicality. Her attempt to recover her own belongings became evidence of indirect communication with the protected party. It's a reminder that in legal conflicts, intent doesn't always matter, action does. What do you think? Should compassion ever outweigh the law? Let us know your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more real stories caught through the blue lens.